Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of Simulink tutorial. Today we will study how to implement the state space model of a linear system in Simulink. The state space model for a linear system is represented by x dot equals ax plus bu, where output is equal to cx plus du. And now we will implement a state space model of a RLC circuit in Simulink, and this modeling is further explained in a lecture whose link is given in the description. Now for implementation in Simulink, we will open the Simulink library. Now we will add the blocks of state space, step input, scope and a mux to our new Simulink model. And for its comparison with transfer function, we will add a block of continuous time transfer function to our model. Now we will arrange the blocks accordingly and will add the parameter. First of all, we will open the block of state space and will enter the values of matrix A, matrix B, matrix C and matrix D accordingly. Also note down that the output of this system is voltage across capacitor. Now after this, we will open the block of transfer function and will add the values accordingly. And now we will simulate the model and will compare the results. And this was all about today. Thanks for watching the video and stay connected for more updates.